My video is about getting rid of the ransomware type application called MaxCat. MaxCat stands for a new ransomware that targets many Windows computers all over the world. This particular ransomware is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. My video is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I'll just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I'll give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files before the ransomware's attack. As you have clearly seen just now, it is possible to open your files, but this ransomware called MaxCat may be easily injected, and then it encrypts the files. It appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names, and it changes the desktop background into this encrypted text background. It also reveals another ransom note indicating that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the computer. So Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on this start scan button, and then the application will most likely update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your computer. Definitely some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data would always be under the protection against all other possible malware or ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, however, doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.